I was struck by a thought-provoking line in the Vatican Reflection. Soon after Pope Leo XIV accepted papal ministry, addressing the Holy Father, it went, "Thank you for saying yes and for abandoning yourself to the one who guides the Church. Every Christian is driven by Christ's call to build his kingdom. Some do it in an extraordinary way, and some have primacy in the Church. Many of us, perhaps restrained by various anxieties and commitments, have to divide our loyalties. But what we most need in the spiritual domain is childlike humility and trust in the Lord. God loves us like a mother, and if we surrender ourselves to His care in all simplicity, our soul will be calmed and quieted, and then we can experience the joys of His kingdom. Today's readings remind us that it is not necessary to do great or dramatic things for the Lord. Simple things done with love, especially caring for the least, is what matters to God the most. Saint Therese of Lisieux showed her love for Christ by doing small things with great love and by discharging her duties faithfully. She is a model of how we too can be missionaries for Jesus to the little way.